I'm not here to brag, but numbers never lie. This account has clocked a total gain of 258.03%. Just look at this chart for March 2026. Growth exploded by 599.62% in a single month. From an initial deposit of $200, the net profit has already reached $516.06. In this video, I'm not just showing you the profits, we're going to perform a technical autopsy on the Gold Trade Pro EA so you can understand exactly how it achieved these aggressive results. Let's dive into the advanced statistics. The profit factor sits at a staggering 5.05. Technically speaking, this is exceptional. It means the strategy is 5 times more effective at generating revenue than it is at losing it. Notice our average win is $80.45, while our average loss is only $15.95. That is a very healthy risk-to-reward ratio. On XAUUSD alone, we've accumulated 51,718 pips. If we look at the trade history, this EA is capable of holding positions for thousands of pips in a single run. This proves it isn't just a cheap scalping bot, it's a sophisticated system designed to ride major market trends. A lot of people ask, how do you get such clean results with zero slippage? The secret is the broker. I am using Exness. For trading gold, you need instant execution and razor-thin spreads. Exness provides the stability required for this EA to perform exactly as you see on my screen. If you want the same precision in your results, I highly recommend using the same broker. I've put the Exness registration link in the description below. Now, let's jump into MetaTrader 4. Gold Trade Pro V5.4, developed by Whim Shrinemakers, operates using 8 different breakout strategies simultaneously. This is not a dangerous martingale or grid system. As you can see in the input panel, every strategy is fully customizable. It even features an NFP filter that automatically pauses trading during high-impact news, keeping the account safe from unpredictable volatility. Pro tip: to ensure the news filter and broker time synchronization work perfectly, make sure Allow DLL imports and Allow web request for URLs like Forex Factory are checked in your MT4 settings. As an IT professional, I can tell you these small technical steps are crucial for bot stability. To validate my results, let's look at the developer's public data. On his IC Markets account, this EA has survived 126 weeks. That's over 2 years, with 585% growth. However, I have to be 100% transparent. 30% of trading is about managing risk. My account did experience a drawdown of 48.83%. While the potential is massive, you must have the mindset to handle the fact that the gold market can be incredibly wild. Bottom line, Gold Trade Pro is a powerhouse when paired with proper risk management and the right broker. Again, I recommend Exness to ensure your execution matches mine. Click the link in the description, sign up, and let's start trading smarter. I'll see you in the next one.